Today's cucumber pickle adventure is intriguing. A trip from sunny farms to jarred, crunchy tart treats. Whatever you call them, pickles or brined cucumbers are crisp. How do these tasty delicacies move from tiny seeds to store shelves worldwide? Let's examine cucumber pickling from field to factory. Large-scale cucumber production involves careful planning, modern cultivation, and effective harvesting. Modern cucumber gardening improves yields and quality. Farmers use many methods to assure a good harvest, from choosing seeds and preparing the land, to managing pests, irrigation, and fertilization. Technology has also made cucumber growing more efficient, enabling large-scale production. In U.S. agriculture, cucumbers boost the economy and feed millions. They are essential to the food sector, since they are eaten fresh, used in salads and sandwiches, and processed into pickles. The popularity of cucumbers has led to large-scale growing, ensuring their year-round availability. Slicing cucumbers, the long, smooth-skinned store varieties, are 15 to 23 centimeter long. Fresh, mild-flavored, and crunchy, they are popular in salads, sandwiches, and spa waters. But pickling cucumbers are shorter, usually 7.50 to 12 centimeter. Their rough exterior and stronger flavor make them ideal for pickling. Major pickling cucumber producers in Michigan and Wisconsin provide huge food processing industries that make pickles for home and international markets. Hydroponic greenhouse cucumbers are also essential. These seedless, thin-skinned cucumbers are popular in high-end grocery stores and restaurants. Greenhouses maintain quality and productivity year-round, decreasing seasonality. Warm weather and fertile soils in Florida, California, Michigan, Georgia, North Carolina, and Texas produce most U.S. cucumbers. Land preparation is key to cucumber cultivation success. Farmers choose and prepare fields for optimal growth. Cucumbers like well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH of 6 to 7. Organic matter in the soil supplies nutrients and moisture for plant growth. It takes various measures to prepare land. Plow and till the fields to break up compacted soil and improve aeration and drainage. Organic stuff like compost or manure improves soil fertility. To promote root and vine growth, farmers add phosphorus and potassium fertilizers. Plastic mulch helps vast farms maintain moisture, reduce weeds, and regulate soil temperature. These methods provide cucumber plants the greatest start for a high-yield harvest. Choose disease and pest-resistant seeds to start cucumber growing. Farmers employ hybrid seeds for production and resistance. Modern cucumber farming starts with accurate sowing, using semi-automatic planting devices. These specialized devices put each seed at the proper soil depth for optimum growth. Once planted, seeds are regularly cared for to become beautiful plants. Cucumbers germinate best on soil above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Seeds are set 30 to 60 centimeters apart in 0.90 to 1.80 meters rows to accommodate vine growth. Proper spacing prevents overcrowding and improves airflow, lowering disease risk. Cucumbers need regular watering. Preventing bitterness and ensuring uniform development requires proper irrigation. Most U.S. cucumber farms control water distribution with efficient irrigation. The most effective approach, drip irrigation, delivers water directly to plant roots, reducing water waste and disease risk. In big fields, sprinkler irrigation ensures uniform water distribution. Furrow irrigation channels water through trenches between plant rows in some areas. Cucumbers need 2.50 to 3.50 centimeters of water each week, and growers boost irrigation in summer to keep them moist. Plant development and productivity are affected by overwatering and underwatering. Therefore, water management is vital. The plants have sprawling vines and beautiful yellow flowers, indicating a plenty. Farmers regularly inspect plants for pests, diseases, and ripeness. Bees assist pollinate during this blossoming stage. Bees' dedicated pollinators love cucumber bloom's vivid color and tasty nectar. Bees carry pollen, especially from male to female blossoms, to fertilize fruit growth. Many farmers plant beehives near their fields to create a buzzing habitat where cucumbers and bees thrive and enhance yield. The quality and market worth of cucumbers depend on harvesting. Cucumber kind determines harvest time. Slicing cucumbers are collected at 15 to 23 centimeters, 7.50 to 12.50 centimeters. Pickling cucumbers are used. Overripe cucumbers turn yellow and taste harsh. Cucumber harvesting used to take hours in the sun and was manual. Today, technology is changing cucumber harvesting. Most large-scale cucumber farms harvest manually and mechanically. Workers hand-pick cucumbers at smaller fields to ensure the right size and color. Cucumbers grow quickly and must be harvested daily or every other day. Large commercial farms use mechanical harvesters with conveyor belts and sorting mechanisms to pick, clean, and sort cucumbers in seconds. Pickling cucumbers require huge volumes to be gathered fast. Hence, mechanical harvesting is prevalent. Newly gathered cucumbers are carefully placed in huge bins and field trailers to protect their delicate skin and maintain freshness. These containers are next to the harvesters, allowing a fast movement from vine to bin. Field workers and operators load cucumbers gently to avoid bruising. Once filled, each bin holds hundreds of kilograms of cucumbers and is simply hoisted onto flatbed trucks or specialized transport vehicles. For the next processing step, the cucumber's crisp texture and natural wetness must be maintained. Cucumbers must be cleaned first. Powerful water jets clean each cucumber, removing dirt and debris without affecting quality or beauty. After careful selection for size and quality, the cucumbers are sent to factories with sophisticated production lines to reach your table. Grocery stores sell high-quality slicing cucumbers, while processed items employ lower-quality ones. Pickling cucumbers involves brining and fermenting. Pickled cucumbers are preserved in barrels in salt water or vinegar for a certain time to create their tart flavor. To meet consumer demand, large food processors make pickles in numerous flavors and styles. After arriving, cucumbers are unloaded onto conveyors for further cleaning and inspection. The brining stage is the operation's heart. Brining makes ordinary cucumbers become exceptional pickles. Salt, water, and a secret spice blend are used to soak cucumbers in big industrial vats. Each manufacturer creates its distinct flavor, with dill, garlic, mustard seeds, bay leaves, peppercorns, and vinegar. The brining procedure can span 1 to 4 weeks, depending on flavor, crispness, and preservation. To maintain quality, temperature, salinity, and humidity are carefully managed. Pickles are drained and sent to the packing line after brining. After sorting by size and quality, old pickles are placed in sanitized glass jars. Automated arms or expert personnel fill each jar uniformly, maintaining product consistency and aesthetics. Pickling brine, a heated mixture of vinegar, water, salt, and spices, is then added to the jars to preserve flavor and shelf life. Finally, lids are firmly sealed, and jars are heat vacuum sealed for safety and freshness. For fast pickling, some companies place cucumbers directly into sterilized jars with brine and spices, seal, and stack them in fermentation chambers. This approach is great for fast turnaround sliced or deli pickles. Automated pickle slicing devices slice entire cucumbers thinly. Add these to glass jars and pour in new pickling solution to preserve and flavor them. Staff double-check each jar for quality and quantity to ensure every product looks and tastes great. To preserve shelf life, jars are heated or pasteurized after sealing. After labeling, packaging, and stacking onto pallets, they're sent to consumers and give flavor to great meals worldwide. Pickles, especially natural fermented ones, contain probiotics, which assist digestion and intestinal health. They hydrate, are low in calories, and are antioxidant rich. The vinegar in pickles regulates blood sugar, and the fiber in cucumber skins improves regularity. A great side dish, pickles add tang and crunch to your meal. Cucumber pickles are a marvel of agricultural innovation and culinary tradition, from growing microscopic seeds to brining in large vats. Pickles are loved worldwide for their love and technology. From my perspective, the large-scale cucumber pickling industry is an impressive showcase of how agricultural tradition and modern technology can work hand in hand to deliver a product beloved around the world. The level of precision from seed selection and soil preparation to brining recipes guarded like family heirlooms demonstrates both human ingenuity and our ability to adapt nature's bounty for global consumption. However, this very efficiency also raises questions about sustainability, ethics, and the long-term balance between productivity and environmental responsibility. While technological advances such as automated harvesting and controlled fermentation ensure consistency and scale, they can also encourage monoculture farming, which risks soil depletion, biodiversity loss, and increased dependence on chemical inputs. The heavy reliance on plastic mulch, while effective for moisture retention, adds to long-term waste concerns unless biodegradable alternatives are embraced. Similarly, high water demands, even with efficient drip systems, make cucumber farming vulnerable in regions already facing water scarcity. Addressing these challenges requires innovation not just in processing lines, but in regenerative agricultural practices that restore soil health, reduce chemical usage, and safeguard water resources. On the human side, the industry's labor needs, particularly during planting and harvest, mean that worker welfare must be central to any conversation about success. Fair wages, safe working conditions, and access to training in new agricultural technologies should be considered as vital as yield and quality. In a way, the industry's true measure of efficiency should not only be the crispness of its pickles, but the fairness of its labor practices. As for solutions, I believe the sector could invest more heavily in diversified cropping systems to reduce disease pressure and reliance on pesticides, adopt biodegradable mulching materials, and explore on-farm renewable energy for processing plants to cut emissions. Additionally, expanding natural fermentation methods could both preserve traditional flavor profiles and reduce energy-intensive fast pickling processes. Finally, better traceability systems from farm to jar would give consumers confidence in not just the product's taste, but also in its ethical and environmental footprint.